Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys? Here we have a 2014 Nissan Versa we're going to be working on today. If you need any parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. To pop open the hood, down here on the left is a little lever that has a hood on it in a car. Just pull on that lever, pop the hood. The marker bulb is located right behind here. You're going to grab on the socket, twist it to the left, and it'll slide right out, just like that. Grab the bulb. This bulb is a 194 bulb. We'll just take our new bulb, line it up with a slot. We can reinsert the socket into the headlight assembly. It might take a little bit of trying to find out where it goes in. And once it's lined up, you can twist it to the right and lock it in place. To pull the headlight bulb out, you're going to grab right behind here, and there's a socket. You're going to pull the socket out. You might have to wiggle it back and forth a little bit. Disconnect the connector, just like that. Then there's a dust boot that goes around the headlight bulb. And pull this dust boot out. And there's going to be a lever in there. I'm going to push down on the lever, release it from the lock. You can pull the headlight bulb out. Be careful with these headlight bulbs, you don't ever want to touch the glass or it'll burn out faster. The turn signal indicator bulb is right here. I'm going to grab the socket, turn it to the left. We can pull it out. To replace the bulb, you can grab the bulb, pull it straight out. This bulb is a 3457 NA. So to reinstall it in the socket, we'll just line it up, click it in place, and take the socket back into the housing of the headlight assembly and turn it to the right. This is a 9003 bulb. When we line this bulb up, we want this larger tab to be facing up, and we'll reinsert the bulb. Remember, don't touch the glass of the bulb. When you insert the bulb, then we're going to push down on the lock. And lock it in place. And we'll take this dust cover, we're going to slide it over the bulb, and then slide it onto the headlight assembly. Once that's secure, we can reconnect the connector. The connector is going to go with this part of the connector up, and then the two side pieces. Line it up with the bulb and lock it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.